Alright, you guys, we're going to cook some grits. Per the directions, we have 1 cup of water boiling, and we have 1/4 cup of grits that's going to go into the water. We're going to salt the water a little bit, and we're going to put our grits in and stir them in. This is important. When you're stirring them in, you gotta make sure you stir them in. Keep stirring while the water is boiling, or that's how you get lumpy grits. So then, per the directions, you turn the grits down. So I'm gonna let the heat come down a little bit. And right now we're just pretty much waiting on them to thicken. I'm only doing 1 serving because I'm the only one eating it. I don't really like to waste. So. There we go. I think I only added a 1/2 cup of water in there, so I've added another 1/2 cup. And I'm gonna, since I put some cold water in there, I have to heat it up a little bit more. Alright, and then I'm gonna drop the temperature, or drop the heat to a medium low. And we're gonna put the lid on it. And we're gonna let it cook at that temp for maybe 5 minutes or so until it gets to the desired thickness. Okay, I've let it cook at a low heat for about 5 minutes, and it's reached about the thickness that I wanted, if you guys can see it. So now it's time to add a little flavor, and we're gonna do salt and pepper. We're gonna cut the heat off. We're gonna do salt and pepper. No sugar over here, please. And butter is important. I like a lot of butter, sometimes cheese, but I'll add the cheese a little bit later. But all this depends on your palate. If you like sugar, put sugar in it. Whatever you like. So for me, it's butter and cheese. And alright, y'all, this is the end result. These are the grits right here.